In this video, let me share with you how to utilize the Extras and Notes section when coding. Extras and Notes are built-in options on your products, which can be managed when you visit the Codes page. Normally, this function is used to add extra charge on the product not found from the options. First things first, click Edit Code to update the job you're working on. Once you're in the Build Code page, click the product you want to update. This time, I'm going to use the Spanel Glide product. Then go through the product options until you see the Extras and Notes. That field is normally located at the bottom of the options. So we have here two fields and both are editable. The first one can be used to put in some notes or added information vital to the coded product. Let's say we wanted to put additional charge for charcoal fabric. And the second field will allow you to put in a cost price if necessary. If you wish to proceed with this detail, always click Update and Save Product options. You can confirm that the Extras and Notes are applied when you click the I button on the left side of the product. As you can see, Extras and Notes are added on this section. By default, that information would also appear on your code PDF form. So that's it for now. Please check our other videos to know more about the coding process in CodeWrite.